Hey yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to collect 3000 tokens from the Blooket events, from the Valentine Blooket events. As you can see, I am on my Blooket account. This is the event, and as you can see, I have 10 tokens. To collect this reward, you need copy your username. As you can see, my username is Albert. Now I open a new tab and here I searching www.go-token-pro. Remember this website, Go-token-pro. I press enter. As you can see, token events offer 3000 token. Blooket username. Here you need enter your Blooket username. As you can see, Albert. I press generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page, guys. Now I wait to loading. As you can see, this bear is loading. This is website status online, last update 2 days ago, online users, total user. This is recent activity. This website work on any device, Android, iOS computer. Now I use my computer, but you can use your phone, for example. It work on any device. Wait a second to turn on the light. As you can see, it's loading. We're sending resource, guys. As you can see, this is people vote. As you can see, you can voting yes or no, it's work for you. As you can see, this person voting yes, this person voting no. This is people comments, very much positive comments. You can add the comments on this button, but I don't add the comments now. It's success. As you can see, Albert is connected, resource is ready, transfer to user now. I want to transfer my resource. It's almost done, guys. We don't like a robot that you human. Click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Good. You need proof you are not a robot. I press this button, verify now. As you can see, human verification request, verify survey. Complete the request below and block your token limit to send in your accounts. Good. Now you need to complete one of these survey to receive the reward. I select this survey. As you can see, enter your mobile number. I press here. I click enter here. As you can see, follow the instruction, send a SMS to this number. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Now I put the video on pause because I can send the SMS and record it at the same time, but I will be back in 2 minutes, guys. Good, guys, I send the SMS on this number. As you can see, I send the SMS. Now you can check on here. You need to enter here. As you can see, human verification request. This is finished. I follow this instruction. If you not receive the reward, you can complete another survey, but me, it's finished for me. Now I close all tabs, and as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. As you can see, I press climb, and now in my Blooket page, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens. As you can see, this is my username. It works for any device, guys, these events. Just follow this video step by step. As you can see, it's work. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and bye bye.